Hey, this is Dylan with Five Guys Roofing. Right now I'm at 641 East San Pedro in Gilbert. Me and my roof tech Angel were here right now doing some roof maintenance on a re-roof that we did 2.5 years ago. They had some flashings that had popped up because of the sun, and they had some missing tiles, some slip tile. They had some broken mortar caps. So right now we're going in, we're kind of fixing all these little small detailed stuff and just giving the roof an overall healthier system and overall better look. We also went around and went and sealed down all of his flashings for any of his pipes, his chimneys, his skylights, all that kind of stuff. And per his request, we put down some tile on top of the freshly caulked flashing just to kind of help support and keep it down. That's what the customer wanted. So we went ahead and did that for him. As you can see, through all there, here, any of them that were sticking up. You can see more back here. Right there. We also went through and added some new mortar in some spots that had some cracked mortar caps. We just went to reseal, make sure all these mortar caps are nice and solid, like this one right here, and make sure that none of them are cracking or breaking down, deteriorating, just to keep the corners of the hips and the ridges strong. He also had some tile break up here, specifically this kind of small sliver right here. It left a little bit of a gap, and that's kind of more of an aesthetic thing that he kind of wasn't too thrilled about. He wanted to see if we could get that replaced for him, so we went and cut a brand new piece that goes along this little piece of metal that overlooks his front door.